Hey man, say man, it's your boy Agent Uno, man. And you know I'm back with another video, man. But look, it ain't even gonna be on this baby today. It ain't even gonna be on this baby. I'm gonna really give my truck his first video, I guess, his first solo video. It ain't gonna be no driving and nothing like that. But I got some more content too for both. It's gonna be, I'm gonna double up in those in that video. But I kind of messed my shoulder up yesterday, so it might hurt to hold this camera. I might gotta hold it with my other hand. But first I want to say like, comment, share, subscribe, do all those things. 500 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway for Madden 2K, Mortal Kombat, any of them 3 games for any console you want. So once we hit 500, we get close to like 450 or something, I'll start promoting a little more. Like, go share my go like my last post on IG, leave a comment, and I will pick out of the comments on who gonna win. So that's how that's gonna work out. So look, man, we about to get right into it, man. The first thing we're gonna start off with, this is the mod for the day. But first I got a blown signal light, so I might as well change the backlights while I change the signal lights. As you see, that one's a little old looking, and this one looks fairly brand new. But I got a box in the house that's gonna change all that. I got a box in the house that's gonna change all that. So we about to get right into it, man. So boomski. Oh, this ain't even the right one. But this is my first time unboxing these. This is the, let me grab the right one. Hold on. I'll be back. So this is the signal. This is the signal light that I got. So I'm ready to see how these look. These gonna look smooth, I ain't even gonna lie. So we about to just go through. All you gotta do is remove this bolt and this bolt, and it should come out easily. So basically, and I hope y'all can see it. Basically, that's all it is. You pull it out, just snap off this adapter piece, snap off this adapter piece, and then I'm gonna have to go in here and get the bulbs out. So I'm gonna do that off camera, and you just pretty much replace the bulbs right here in this. So I'm gonna do the bulb switch off camera. Alright, so this really wasn't no technical difficulties, but it's kind of weird because this light only takes, like, I don't know if these bulbs can ever blow. I'm guessing they can't. I don't know, it's pretty weird, but yeah, and they got all this extra stuff. But yeah, this is the only bulb it takes, so that's kind of good because I don't gotta buy like 3 different bulbs. But yeah, this is the brake light and the signal light. Not really sure what this light is yet, but yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing reinstalled. I'm sorry, I'm covering y'all up. So pretty much I'm gonna chunk that in there. Gonna chunk that in there. Then when I feel comfortable, I'm gonna rip the plastic off. Try to give y'all a better angle. Okay, as you see, it's not a perfect fit, and the outside is very fragile, as I kind of cracked the top right here while applying some pressure to it. So yeah, you got to be very careful. You got to really tuck it in. Now I'm about to try to screw it back in without making any more damage, I guess. Yeah. It's not the most secure fit. I mean, it fits though, but it's like... I think I need a longer screw for this. And the crazy thing is, this didn't come with no hardware, which is kind of crazy to me. Like, I don't know why this didn't come with any hardware. But I'm going to do this off camera and try to figure it out. Alright, so I had some screws, which is, I'm very impressed. This light goes crazy, bro. The only thing, bro, I really cracked it, man. Which, that really sucks, bro. I'm not sending them back, though. But, man, I made a choice on this one. And don't worry about it. I'm switching out the back. You know I got to switch out the front. So now we about to do it on the other side, you know. At least I learned a little bit on this side. Don't apply too much pressure to the top. And you might need an extra longer screw for the inside. So we're going to migrate to this side and we're going to work on this side now. I'm going to have to do this one kind of off camera because I got my homemade tool chest right there. And I'm going to have to sit on back of the tailgate and everything. So I'll pick y'all up when I take all this stuff out and stuff. I ain't gonna lie, this is the end result. I think it brought the whole truck together, bro. Look at that. Oh my sheesh. Oh yeah, that one at the top, that one's coming tomorrow, I think. So I almost forgot about that one. That one look like it don't even have any screws in it, which is crazy. Yeah. Ooh, I'm about to show y'all a demonstration on it. First, I'm gonna crank it up. I'm gonna show y'all I ain't gonna crank it up. I'm gonna turn the key. I'm gonna show y'all the signal light, the brake light, and then I'm gonna try to put it in reverse because I think that bottom light is the reverse light if I'm not mistaken. So here it is. So yeah, I mean, that's it for this video. I ain't gonna say too much about the exhaust, but that was the cold start for the day. My exhaust is not loud at all on my truck. But maybe that's something for later that I might do. Spoiler. So that's it for this video pretty much. That was the cold start of the truck. Spoiler. My truck is not that loud. And it's 1995, so it, you know, once I crank it up the first time, she fires straight on up. But the cold start give it a little hesitation a little bit. Nothing too crazy though, but I'm thinking about putting some in the back window too. I got Agent RT. That's my YouTube. Should I put that on the back of this though? I know that's not an RT, but that's I'm gonna put the YouTube on the left, maybe IG on the right or something like that. Just not my personal, but my car junk. But yeah, man, like, comment, subscribe, man. this video is probably everywhere, and I'm sorry. These videos be weird when complications happen in the middle of them. So I'm gonna catch y'all later, man. Love y'all boys and gals. Subscribe for me.